You are not entering this year with complaints.
You are entering with keys.
I receive that.
Complaints keep people standing outside closed doors. Keys are given to those trusted with access.
I release every complaint. I take responsibility for what you have placed in my hands. I am aligned. I am trusted. I am authorized.
This is not the season to explain what went wrong. This is the season to unlock what is waiting.
I stop looking back. I move forward with you are forcing doors. You are unlocking destiny.
I stop looking back. I move forward with purpose.
You are not forcing doors. You are unlocking destiny.
I move fucking back.
I walk boldly. I enter peacefully. I unlock what you have prepared.